New Kia Sonet 2027 comes with new K1 platform, same as Syros, which increase its wheelbase, comfort and safety, and comes with knee features like 12.3-inch screen on level to autos is also expected in it. Also, Kia is working on its strong hybrid version, which is expected to launch in 2028 to 2029. Kirloskar Motors has announced to set up a new manufacturing plant. The upcoming facility will be located at the Bidkin Industrial Area, around 20 kilometers south of Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar in Maharashtra. An upcoming SUV could be the new Toyota Land Cruiser FJ, and it expect to come with IMV ladder frame platform, same as Fortuner and Helix, and in future it comes with strong
Nissan
hybrid version,
the
also
CNG
and Gravit. And also Nissan is launch its Patrol in Indian market to compete with Toyota Land Cruiser. Kia Motors have been working on a strong hybrid powertrain for their C-segment SUVs. It is expected to launch in India by 2027. Kia is testing its hybrid version in Pune. Lamborghini reveals its Fenomeno Roadster and powered by V12 engine with 3 electric motors, which produces 1,080 horsepower, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.4 sec, and with top speed 340 plus kph.